Ready?
Good morning, Teacher Danielle and Teacher Sherry.
Okay, sit down. Danielle, you are late. Okay. Today we are going to finish this part. Okay. Page 3. We will finish page 3 where you have to write down who, where, what, why, where, when. Okay. And this is based on the story. Remember, you have to finish writing this based on your story. Okay. So, team 5, you need to start. Who is team 5? Team 5, group 5. Number 11, 5, 3, 15. You have to finish this. You have to start today. Okay, you are behind. But team 4, group 4, you are almost finished. Okay. Remember, you can write in English and Chinese. This one. You can write in English and Chinese. And remember, you have to ask what, why, where, when for number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Do you have any questions? No?
No.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yes.
Now, when you are finished with this, we are going to start with the script. So, the script is this. What is a script? Okay, look at this. Tell me what you think this is. Yes? The character is saying something. What is a character?
Yeah.
And they are talking. Okay. So, this is called a script. Teacher, what is a script in Chinese?
就是台词。
Okay. So, we are going to make a script. First, on page 4, you have to write down the character's name and the role in the story. Okay. What is the role in the story? So, if you are the King Moon, what are you? You are the King. If you are Banana, the sun, you are the Prince. Okay, so you have to tell me, what do they do in the story? What is their role? Okay, so name, role. Okay, so the next one can be Lambo. Lambo. And what is Lambo doing in the classroom?
You're writing a homework.
He is a student.
Oh.
So who is he? He is a student. So then you write student. And teacher Sherry is who? What is teacher Sherry?
Teacher.
A teacher. Then you write teacher. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to write the name and what they are doing. Okay. So in your story, if you have 6 characters, then you need 6 names and 6 roles. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so the next part is the story name. So what is the name of this story?
King Moon and the Prince.
King Moon and the Prince. Okay. You have to write down the story name here and here on the front. So then you write King, Moon, and the Prince. Okay? English. And here you have to write King, Moon, and the Prince. Okay? All of this is in English. Okay? From here on, no Chinese, only English. Okay?
Okay.
Then we have the scene setting. What is a scene?
地点
1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. Yes?
不同的场景。
Okay. So we have 4 scenes. Why do we have 4? Because the story or comic, this comic has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. Okay. And then here you have to tell me where is scene 1. Where is scene 1 here? Scene 1,
the park.
park. Scene 2,
Home.
home. Scene 3,
I don't know.
where is Lambo?
Class.
Class.
Room.
Where is scene 4? Where is Teacher Sherry?
Class.
Class. Okay. So you have to say where is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. Okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions for page 4?
No.
No? Are you okay?
Yes.
You want to check?
好，所以首先你要先写这个你的故事的名称在这里，然后指的是英文，所以你不会来问我。好，当然下面这里你们有几个人，组员有几个，你就有几个人物。你要先写人物的名字，然后还有人物他在里面呢是做什么工作的，是什么角色。好，当然这里 scene setting， 这里是你每一幕的场景，不同的地方 ，OK 吗？所以就是按照你画的那个写上去就 OK 了。有问题吗？没有。
Okay? And then we start with the script. Okay. First, I want to show you this. For page 5, we start on page 5. You write the story name. What is this story name?
The girls and the butterfly.
The girl and the butterfly. Okay. So the girl and the butterfly. This is the name of the story. Okay. Then you have to say scene 1, park. So scene 1, where are you? Okay. So if you have this story, this is your story. Okay. Scene 1, where are you? Let's say they are in the ocean, because this is SpongeBob. Okay, so scene 1, park. Okay, and then you have to say the first character's name. Who talks? Okay, so if it's Lambo, then you write Lambo. Okay, then you say Lambo and how you feel. Okay, you can say I am hungry, or I am sad, or I am angry, or nothing. Nothing is also okay. Then you say, girl, how does she feel?
Hungry.
Hungry. I want food. Oh, look, a butterfly. Okay. Then Bob says, is he angry?
Yes.
Yes. Bob is angry. He says, oh, you are ugly. Okay. And then girl says, I want to catch the butterfly. Runs to Bob. So you can say an action. What is an action? Yes, an action. So you can write down an action. Runs to Bob. What is she doing? She is running. Who is she running to? Bob. Okay. And then Bob says, oh no, don't touch me. And he feels part is good. But here we have the bad part. This part is bad. Why? Look at scene 2. What is bad about scene 2? Why is scene 2 bad? Yes? No. It is too short. Look at scene 1. This is okay. Scene 2 has one sentence. Is that okay?
No.
No, it's not okay. Why is scene 3 bad?
Too short.
Too short and one more. It doesn't have end. No end. Okay, so scene 3 is also bad because it's too short and it has no end. And then scene 4, is that okay?
No, it's too short and not end.
Too short, no end. Okay, so this is good and this is bad. Okay?
Okay.
So, are you ready?
Ready.
Do you have any questions?
No.
This has to be English. Okay. Everything for your script needs to be English. Okay, and you need 4